Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today we'll talk about AWS in EC2 instance. If you would like to install CloudWatch agent, then how we can install CloudWatch agent on a EC2 instance, and then I will show you how we can troubleshoot this and what purpose basically we can use it. Or in the CloudWatch, right, there are different kind of matrices there. If you would like to create your own custom matrix, right, to monitor your system, like any app server or API server, like how much CPU is using, how to show the pie chart, bar chart, those things, right. I will show you one by one, and if anything goes wrong, then how we can debug the logs in the particular log directory in that EC2 instance, as well as in the CloudWatch logs. Okay guys, so let's go one by one setup how we can. So I have already note down all these command here, so I will go one by one and I will show you this thing. And what in this EC2 instance I am going to deploy one static web application, like I have done already in my previous session also. So similar thing I will do that, and then I will watch that memory, all this thing. Okay guys, so first what we need to do, we need to create one EC2 instance, and before that we need to create one IAM role for this particular CloudWatch agent. Okay guys, so let's go to here, and I have already logged in at AWS console, and I am in that Oregon region. Okay guys, so I have already logged in here in Oregon region. Sorry, in this Oregon region. Let's switch to Oregon, and let me here. This is the thing, and let's come here. I have already one key pair also in this region. Okay guys, so let's first create the role, IAM role. So I will show you how we can create the IAM role and how to assign those this permission to the IAM role. And if you would like to assign this IAM role to a particular EC2 instance, that also I will show you. And if you would like to know more details about IAM role, I will recommend you guys, please have a look my IAM role video. Okay guys, so I have selected EC2. On the EC2 only we are going to give, and here we need to give the CloudWatch. Okay, so I let me give CloudWatch, either you can give full access, or if you want you can give that agent access. Okay, so agent admin, so let's give the agent admin policy, this one, and let's add this, and let's select that SSM, and let's give the SSM full access. Okay guys, I have given two access. Let's give the name here, I am something like that, and tag is optional, so no need to give anything here. Just creating. Yeah, it is in progress. So meantime, let's go to the EC2 dashboard, and since it is creating, right, so let's create our. I have already one IAM role which is S3 access, and here different kind of access is there, EKS and SSM, S3 full access, EC2 full access. I am not using container also is having access, right? So but for this today session we need only those two permission is good enough, so that's why I am not using existing role. Okay guys, so now go to EC2 instance. There is nothing is running. So launch one EC2 instance here first. Okay. So let's give the name Cloud Tech. Suppose app server, something like that I am giving here. Take the EC2, and let's select here key pair, which I have already created in my previous video. So if you guys don't know how to create the key pair, then please have a look that. And if you let me give you quickly highlight here. If you click here key pair, right, so it will come here. Then you have to give the key pair name, and then what type of key pair you would like to create, either is you are using for putty or open SSH, then accordingly you have to select. Okay, for putty I have already demonstrated, you guys can have a look that also. So let's select this one, and the security group, let's select the default security group, and in this I have already enabled like all the SSH port, all these things. So if you guys want to know more about this security group, I will recommend please have a look my security group video. Okay guys, and now let's create here. So it is EC2 instances in progress. So it will take few seconds. So IP I got. So let's try to connect by mobile extreme. So let me connect this C2 and session also. by how we can connect by mobile extreme, right? So basically I have already demonstrated that video, so you guys can have look that too also. This is how we need to connect. So I have already connected, my EC2 instance is running, right? So now what I am going to do, so let me first install this. So first update this. So, so I have note down all these commands so that the video recording will be very fast instead of typing. So let's do this. Let's update this all the package. So update is done. So now I am going to install HTTPD that server. This is like a Apache web server. Okay guys. So now it is installing. It will take few seconds. So now it is done. Now let's do that. Start that HTTP server. Okay guys. Now come to here. Now I am going to enable that so that it, you know that whenever the system is getting boot, right, so that every time basically it is doing the shift link creation, right, soft link it is creating, right, symbolic link, right. So once it is created means whenever system is booting, right, so it will automatically start the server. You no need to start. So first time let's start this. This is start enabled. Now deploy our one simple static web page like one hello world kind of thing. I will show you. Okay, some permission issue is there. So let me go to the home. We need to give sudo since I am not in the root user. Okay, let's do one thing. Now it is added. So our web page is ready. Okay guys, so I can exit. I no need any super user sudo like root user. I can perform by, if it is required I can perform by sudo command. Okay, so now it is coming. So now my web page is loading whatever we have deployed in that, right? So let me show you that. So see, this is what we have loaded. Welcome to EC2 app server from CloudTech. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any video. Thanks, right? So this is what we have deployed in that EC2 instance. Now it is done. So now let's going to install that CloudWatch agent. Okay guys. So that simple command. So let's take this one. So it is installed. So now it is asking for confirmation. So if you give, like while you are typing the command, right, if you give -y, then this kind of confirmation it won't ask, like how I have given this update command, right. If you give -y, then it is a kind of the prompt it won't ask, right. So let's yes, keep it yes. So now it is installing that CloudWatch agent to this particular EC2 instance. So it will take few seconds. So meantime, let me explain this collected D. So now I have deployed these EC2 instances 2023, right. So collected D, this Amazon Linux extract, right, this package is not available. Let me show you that. Otherwise we can do let me show you that. It will say this command is not found, this package is not available. Okay guys, no, don't worry. So we'll configure this CloudWatch. Now installation is done. So now we need to configure the CloudWatch agent. So let me configure this. So now it is asking configuration means like it's asking like on which OS you are planning to install the agent, right? If you are planning to install on Linux, Windows or Dawn, right? So then you have to select accordingly. Now for our case it is a Linux system, so select one. And now it is asking like, are you using EC2 on-premise host? That's it's asking, right? Or you are using EC2, what kind of host you are using, basically it is asking. Now we are using EC2 here, no on-prem system, right? So now which user you are planning to run this agent. So let's run as a root user, so that it will be every permission will be there. Now next question is asking like stash the daemon, would you like to? Yes. So it, since it is a giving default choice yes, then why not to take that default one. So let's select that default yes. And which port would you like to run this stash d? Okay, so by default port is 8125, so let's select that 8125. Now it is asking like how much time interval would you like to collect that record. So 10 second, 30 second, 60 second, as per your need you have to select. If you would like to need 2 seconds, then select type 2 here. If you need 3 seconds, 30 second, then type here 3. So for my case 10 second is good enough, so let's select 10. And what is the average interval for matrix collect the stats demo? So either you can specify do not aggregate that one, any aggregation if you have, or maybe you can specify 10. And here default is 4, right, 60 seconds. So I will give 10, 10, so I will select 2 here. Now it's asking uh, you want to monitor matrix from collected D. One collected D must be installed or agent failed to start. So now collected D is not installed, right? So option is 1. So let me show you what it would happen here. So collected D is not there. So now would you want to monitor any host matrix, example CPU monitor? Yes. Let's select yes. Now, would you want to monitor CPU matrix per core? Let's select yes. Now, do you want to add any EC2 dimension? Dimension in the sense, let me show you that CloudWatch so that it will be easy to you guys understand. So let's go to the CloudWatch. What I have here option, right? I don't have any custom matrix. So let's select on all matrix. And if you see here I have EBS, EC2, logs, uses, right? If you go to the EC2, here like different kind of matrix here only per instance, right? But if you want like any specific dimension or anything, right, like as per that EC2 instance ID, image ID, auto scaling group name, then it will available all these parameters. Let's select yes. And would you want to aggregate EC2 dimension? One more option, like this is an on, like here whatever CloudWatch you have 1 2 3 inside. If you go to this here, right, you have here only one option, right? While in our case, while it will create the custom matrix, right, there one more option will come for the instance ID also. I will show you that also. Now here it's asking would you like to collect your matrix at a high resolution like sub minute resolution? This enables sub minute. So let's select, yeah, either it's a 1 minute you can specify or 2 minutes or 60 minutes, whatever JSON file that my output will collect, right? So let's select for 10 second only for me to. Okay guys, now which default matrix configure do you want? Like it's a basic, standard, advanced, or none. So this is like again I would say like for this demo standard, advanced, those are like a price thing will be there, right? So for this today's demo session, right, it's a learning purpose, I will say basic one. Let's go. So let's select first option. Now it is asking like are you satisfied with whatever configuration we have done here, right? It's kind of preview. So just review here whatever we have selected, is it correct or not? So it is asking are you satisfied whatever you have selected? I said yes. Now here it is would you have any existing CloudWatch log? Do we have? No, we don't have any CloudWatch log, right, in this custom CloudWatch log, right? So let's select no. Now it is do you want to monitor any log file? Why not? Let's monitor log file. Yes. Then what could be the path? You can specify the custom path. So let me give that path. So this is the log path. Basically we are installed that httpd, right? So if you go to this httpd, here we have these two log file. Let me show you that so that it will be easy to you understand. So let's go here. Yeah, I am logged in here. So let's select this one. If you see the permission is right, sudo ll happen sudo su, otherwise do one thing super user go to. We have this log file, right? Here two log file we have basically. If you go here, because it is a inside the server, right? So that's why other user is not allowed to access. That's the reason it is not allowed. So let's select that path here. Now default choice log, like when it will be displayed in the CloudWatch, right, or in the log file log groups, right? So what name you would like to give that log groups? Would you like to give access log or you want to change anything? Let's select the default one. If you want to change, you can give. Now log stream name, what name you would like? Instance underscore id. Yes, let's select that one only. Now here log group returns are in a day. So here multiple option is there, how many day you would like to keep those like data, whatever logs data it will collect to the CloudWatch, right, from this EC2 instance. How many day you want to keep those log? Either -1 means it will be written will be forever, then here 1 day, 3 day, 5 day. Okay guys, so let's select for our case 2 days for this is since it is a demo. Okay, now you want to specify any additional log file to monitor? Okay, let's specify the error path also. So this one, so let do that also. Okay guys, so I will give this one also here. And same question it will have, would you want to specify any monitor? Yes, let's select yes. Additional monitor, yes. Then log file path, same. Default choice error, yes. Instance id, yes. And then how many day, again same, so 2. Let's skip. And then you want to specify any additional log file to monitor? No, I don't want to specify it now. Now here it's coming like would you want to store any config in ssm parameter? Let's select yes. And then what parameter would you want to store? The prefix name would be amazon cloudwatch linux. Okay, let's select this one. And then what the region would you like to? Now our default region in US West 2. So which region would you want to store this config as a in the parameter store? So now we are in different region. So this is the Virginia region. Okay. Now let's give the US West 2. Okay, sorry. We are in Virginia is the what the Virginia US East 1. So we are in US West 2. So let's keep this default one only here. Okay guys, now please provide the credential to upload json config file to parameter store. The access key basically it is asking, so let me give the access key here. Okay guys, check if we have access key. Otherwise do one thing, let's create one access key. Let me show you that how we can create the access key. So go to the im dashboard, go to the user section and come here. That user, this is my user, right? So now go to the security credential and here we can create the access key. Already I have one, so let's show you how we can create. So command line interface on this, let's select. And I have understood that, let's select this one. Now go to the next. We can give like watch agent demo, something like that. And let's create. So now it is created. So now let's select this one and give here access key. And now we need to give the secret key also. So let's show you that secret key. Let's copy this. After end of this video I will deactivate this key guys. Okay, so now our everything is configured, is done. Okay guys, now if you would like to download this key, you can download as a csv file also, it is downloaded. Okay guys, now done. So now let's check the status of this CloudWatch, what it is happening actually. It is running or not running. We can check the status by using this command. Let me see the status first. Yes. So now it is a stopped, right? So what we can do, let me do one thing. Let's start this command first using this and then we will start that one. So I will give you all this command guys in this video description, so that then it will be helpful to you guys. So permission, so it is added, no credential provided, no valid. So what credentials is asking? Otherwise do one thing, aws, do aws configure here. Let's add that access keys whatever we have downloaded, right? So let's open this one and one thing, let's configure this. So also secret also. So let's copy this secret and let's try this. Okay guys, our region is we can default region whatever we have, right? So let's keep that only. So our region here is we have somewhere we have, right, region. So let's select, or else we can check from web also what the our region. Let me just for confirm, we are in US OS 2. So just for confirmation, I am showing you US OS 2, right? So let's select that. Let's come here, US OS 2, and output format. Let's keep none as it's not duplicated in cache. Okay, let's try to start this one. It is starting or not? Let me check this. Start. Oh, oh my God! It is started. Very good. Now, just now we have checked the status here, right? It is in stop state, right? Okay, okay. It is a deprecated. Okay, no chain is a deprecated. Okay, okay, fine, fine. I thought like it is in some error. Okay, status. Now it is running. Wow, we have done, right? So now we'll see that in that CloudWatch log, right? So let me come here and let me refresh this. Will take some time, might be. So now all metrics, it is not yet started came. Okay, so just wait some time. We are only EBS here. Why it is not coming custom metrics? Okay, let's check that our instance status also. So it's running, and let's hit that UI. It is running now. After some time, right? Basically, it used to take some time to log those details. So how it will be looks. So let me show you that also. So let me go to this CloudWatch here, and in my other region I have already have this kind of. So let me show you that. So let's go to the in Virginia. Okay, so let me go to the CloudWatch or matrix here, and here this CloudWatch agent is came right here. It will become similar line of, and then we have given instance ID, instance with this kind of thing parameter we have configured, right? So those will come here, and let me show you that how. Okay, in meantime here it is coming or not, we'll go. Okay, so let me continue by using this one only, how it will be looks. Okay, now select 1 week and go to the instance ID, and if you select this as a number and just select this one, then we can see here those like whatever thing we are using, or maybe you can go to the option and display the number also, it will be display. And if you go to that bar chart, it will display that bar chart also. Let me come to here, no data, I guess. Since no data right here, so that's why it is not coming anything. Okay, let's do the right. Yeah, it's coming right here. The chart also used to come if the data is there. So since in this region nothing is running now, no instance is running, that's why it is not coming. Otherwise, let's go to here, or if you want to check that pie chart, to display pie chart also. But bar, okay, and you can select this kind of thing also. Okay guys, so like this it will come, and we can watch those and it was to take like some time to collect those data right here. It will take some time, so just wait some time. And now let me show you how we can check the logs also. So let me see the logs group is created or not, whatever custom logs group path we have given, right? So let's go to the logs group, and I hope those, okay, that also not yet started creating. So here those log group also will come. Okay guys, and if anything goes wrong, right, suppose anything is not running or anything, right, where we can check those logs. So those log file basically like it used to for CloudWatch agent, right, this is the path where the log file will be there. So let me show you that also. Here we have log file, so let's go to this one, the UI CloudWatch agent. Here we have this Amazon CloudWatch agent log and configuration log, right? So let's select this and Amazon CloudWatch log, and here we can check all the logs details here. See here, JSON does not, I cannot skip this. So then again it started successfully. Then tom file is generated. By using the tom file it is created. If you go complete down, so, so here if you see some of the error messages also there. What those error messages? Make sure EC2 metadata, EC2 metadata failed to make EC2 request. This one error pipeline matrix host, no credential provide, no valid credential shall oh, something wrong here. Some credential is not found. It's showing here. So let me check what the credential is not found. So not found, not found. Error requirements access not found. Cloud was published for entertainment purpose internet, but failed to get the credential from the session. No credential provider. What is this? Okay, let's go to here. Go to EC2 instance. Some permission we are missing here, I guess. Let's go to the security, modify IAM. See, we forget to add that this one. Now this error, I hopefully it won't be there. Let's see. Now got it. So now let's do here till minus f. So let's see. Now it is started again. Do one thing. Let's restart the CloudWatch agent again. Okay, so how we can restart? So let me show you that command. Status is running. Okay, so let's stop this. Let me do one thing. Okay, here some other error came. There is no parser listening. There is no file. Okay, do one thing. This, if you guys see this kind of error, right? So better to create this kind of directory also. So how we can create? Let me show you that. So permission deny. Okay, so let me do one thing. Touch this one. Touch means touch or vi, whatever editor you guys are using, so that you can use it to create those directory here. So now if you check this one, right? So let me see those directory is available or not. Yeah, now it is there. So now let's start this one again. See, it is started. Good. Now let's try to again check the status here. Now it is running. Okay, so now let's go to the log file. Now see, it started collecting the matrix. Okay guys, so some issue was there. Now EC2 agent is retrieving log, kind of processing. Now let's go to the CloudWatch again. So now go to all matrix. Still no. Why taking time? Okay, just a minute. It will come, I hope. Logs groups. See, log groups also started coming. Access log, error logs I was talking about, right? So if you go inside, you can troubleshoot what the issue is going on, what call is going on. So something is giving here error. So let me see this, what this error. Is it Amazon, Moja, Firefox, something going wrong? Then again he's making call. Some Firefox. Now it is succeeded. Initially it is a 4, not 4. Now it is succeeded. 2, not 2, right? That it is successfully completed. So now all metrics. See, now it started coming here. Now custom matrix is came and instance ID is came here. And if you now select this all, and if you select here like bar chart, then you will be able to see bar chart here. And if you would like to, here the bottom all that number is displaying, right? So now let's go to the pie chart. Now here pie chart is came and the bottom number so if you would like to display in the right side here, now in single line is displaying, right? So just click on display right. Now it will display on this right. So display and right. See, this is how we can check that, and here we can check how much CPU is using, what the percentage, all these things, which directory, what the device. Okay guys, and if you want to check other metrics also, like let me show you that instance ID, and in this like both app is running, so disk percentage also it will display here. So like this we can install and we can monitor our custom if you would like to launch your custom matrix, then this kind of thing we can do. And we can monitor our what I can say, our app server or any DB server, and there are different kind of color is showing, like all this, which one, which disk for which, what the percentage, all it is showing, right? If you just mouse over here, then it will display here those all the details. Okay guys, so I hope this session will helpful to you guys, how to set up the CloudWatch agent, and if anything goes wrong, how we can debug that, and if you want to create that IAM role, and once instance is launched, that if you forget to attach the IAM role, how we can attach that IAM role, that also I have covered. So I hope this session will helpful, and if you guys feel this video is valuable to you guys, then I will request you guys please like this video. And if you, while you are doing hands-on, if you face any error or any stuck anywhere, then put those error or whatever doubt you have in this video comment section. I will address those. And if to support me, I will request you guys please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. That will really inspire and motivate to me. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Chalo, bye.